Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Dear students, today I am going to start the exercise about the adjacent angles, complementary angles and supplementary angles. So open your booklet page number 80. As in the previous lectures you have already learned about these angles by the definition and by some examples. So now you can easily understand this exercise and you can solve this exercise by yourself. Okay, let's start the exercise. Find the complementary angle of the given angles. One example is already done for you. I will explain these examples. Okay, 65 degree. You have to find the complementary angle. So what is complementary angle? Complementary angles means sum of the complementary angles should be equal to 90 degree. This one is the condition for the complementary angle. So the total of the complementary angle should be equal to 90 degree if the given angle is 65. Given angle is 65 degree, then you have to find the complementary angle. So total is 90 degree. You will subtract the given angle from the 90 total degree. So 90 minus 60 is equal to 25 degree. So the complementary angle for the 65 degree is equal to 25 degree. Clear? I will solve one more example for you. Given angle is 12 degree and you have to find the complementary angle for 12 degree. How? Sum of the complementary angle. Sum of complementary. Sum of complementary angle is equal to 90 degree according to the definition of complementary. So what is the given angle? Given angle is equal to 12 degree. Given angle is equal to 12 degree. To find the complementary angle, you will subtract the given angle from the total. So the total of the complementary is equal to 90 degree minus given angle is 12 degree. So you will simply subtract the 12 given angle from the total. So 90 minus 12 is equal to 78. So our complementary angle is 78 degree. That is our answer. Simply to find the complementary angle of the given angle, you will subtract the given angle from 90 because the sum of the complementary angle is equal to 90. Now you can easily solve the remaining parts by yourself. In all remaining parts, you have to just subtract the given angles from the 90 degree. Clear? Now come to your booklet, page number 81. Next question is find the supplementary angle of the given angles. So again same like the complementary angles. Given angle is 165 degree. What is the condition for the supplementary angles? The sum of the supplementary angle should be equal to 180 degree. As given angle is 165, so you will just subtract 165 from 180. So 180 minus 165 is equal to 15 degree. Just you have to do subtraction. I will solve one more example. 49 degree is given. So sum of the supplementary angle is equal to 180 degree. I will write in short. Okay, sum of the supplementary angle is equal to 180 degree according to the definition of the supplementary angle. Given angle. What is the given angle? 49 degree. So to find the supplementary angle, you will just subtract the given angle from the total of the supplementary angle. The sum of the supplementary angle is equal to 180 degree according to the definition of the supplementary angle. So if the given angle is 49, then what will be the second one? You will subtract the given angle from the total. So 180 minus 49 is equal to 131 degree. just subtraction. Okay, you have to just remember that the sum of the supplementary angle is equal to 180 degree. Now, like these two examples, you can easily solve the remaining parts by yourself. So complete this exercise by yourself. Okay, come to the next page of your booklet, page number 82. Next, question number 3 is find the complementary angle x in each of the following right angles using a protractor. You have to use the protractor and you have to find this unknown angle. Okay, complementary angle, you have to find the complementary angle. Here is a question mark. Question mark mean find this angle. One angle is given and sum of the complementary angle is equal to 90 degree. Sum of the complementary angle is equal to 90 degree. So if one angle is 25 degree, then what will be the second angle? Same is in the second one. Okay, as the sum of the complementary angle is 90 degree, so easily, like in the previous questions, in the complementary and supplementary angle you have done some calculation, you can do it by the calculation, but here is the condition, use the protractor. But the box is also given, you can check it by the calculation. I will do the calculation over here for the first example. This one is your complementary angle. The sum of this angle and this angle, the sum of these two angles is equal to 90 degree. This one is the sine of the 90 degree. So the sum of this angle and this angle is equal to 90 degree. If one of the angle is 25 degree, then what will be the value for the second angle? You have to calculate this one. So simple, you will subtract 90 is the total. 90 minus given angle is 25 degrees. So 90 minus 25 is equal to 65 degree. It means your this second angle is equal to 65 degree. Now by use of protractor, you can check whether this angle is of 65 degree or not. Okay, maybe due to the printing this one, maybe there will be a little bit difference for the angle, so no problem for this one. You can do the calculation only over here, because these angles may not be exactly equal to these degrees because of the printing. Okay, so you can just do the calculations over here, no need to use a protractor, but for your satisfaction use the protractor. Okay, otherwise I will accept this exercise by this calculation only. Okay, now by this method you can easily calculate these all other angles by yourself. One angle is given and the second angle is missing, like x mean you have to find this angle, this x mean find this angle, this x mean find this second angle, this x mean find this angle, and this x mean find this angle. So the sum of these all angles is equal to 90 degree. This straight line, this portion is actually for the 90 degree, means sum of these two angles is equal to 90 degree. One angle is given, you have to find the second angle, so you will subtract the given angle from the total of 90 degree. In all angles you can see this straight line. This straight line is actually representation for the right angle, 90 degree angle. So subtract 90 degree minus 68, 90 degree minus 37 degree, 90 degree minus 75 degree, and 90 degree minus 73 degree. So just by subtraction you can calculate the complementary angle, and then after calculation you can check it by use of the protractor. As I told you, due to printing maybe there will be a little bit difference in the scale or the protractor, then there is no issue. Okay, come to the next page, that is page number 183 in your booklet. Last question is find the value of unknown angle in the given set of supplementary angle. Now supplementary angle mean 180 degree. The sum of the angle is equal to 180 degree. Now I will solve this one. One angle is given, second angle is missing. So according to the definition of the supplementary angle, the sum of the supplementary angle is equal to 180 80 degree. Sum of the supplementary angle is equal to 180 degree. So given angle, what is the given angle? As the given angle is 118 degree, find the x degree, mean unknown angle. You have to find this missing angle. This angle is 180 degree and you have to calculate this angle. So simply you will subtract the given angle from the total. Total is 180 and the given angle is 118 degree. So 180 minus 18 degree is equal to 62. So our answer is x angle is equal to 62 degree. Clear? So according to the supplementary angle, sum of the angle is 180 degree. Given angle is 35. You have to calculate this x angle. So 180 minus 35. Same in the third one. One angle is equal to 142 degree. You have to calculate this angle. So 180 minus the given angle 142. This one. Given angle is 50 degree. You have to calculate this second angle. So 180 minus 50 degree. Next is 130. Given angle is 130 degree. You have to calculate this x second angle. So 180 minus 130. As in supplementary angles, sum of the angles is equal to 180. To find the unknown angle, subtract the given angle from 180. The key point is also given over here to solve this exercise. Example, like if given angle is 110, so simply subtract the given angle from the total 180. So answer will be 70 degree. Clear? So to solve these exercises, you should just know about the definition of the adjacent angle, complementary angle and supplementary angle. The sum of the complementary angle is 90 degree and sum of the supplementary angle is 180 degree. So to find the complementary or supplementary angle, unknown angle, you will just subtract for the complementary angle, just subtract the given angle from 90 degree, and for supplementary angle, just subtract the given angle from 180 degree. So students, I hope you can easily solve this exercise by yourself. For any problem, you can ask me and you can watch the video related to complementary, supplementary and adjacent angles. Thank you.